Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Double N. Thanks for your support, thanks for the love, and to my returning subscribers, thank you too for always coming back and watching my videos. Thanks to those of you that always share my videos as well. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious creamy mushroom mackerel pasta. Trust me, you are going to love it. Don't go nowhere and make sure you watch this video from the start to the end because you are going to love it. Enjoy watching. So guys, as you can see, I have all what I'm going to use for this recipe here, and I'm going to show it to you one by one. I have my mackerel fish, my smoked mackerel fish there, my oil, salt, mushrooms already washed and cut in the pieces that I want. I have my garlic powder, black pepper there, and my spaghetti, the pasta. Okay, I have onions there as well, and I have my cream, my heavy cream there too. You can decide to use whichever pasta that you want. So first of all, my water is boiling now. I'm going to add salt to it, and after adding salt, I'm going to cook the pasta. Okay, I'm going to let the pasta cook, like not fully cooked, like almost cooked. Okay, so and after that, as you can see, I have to transfer the pot. So now I'm going to start frying the sauce, or the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to add my salt to the pan, and after adding the salt, I'm going to add in my onions. Like you can see that the oil is also already hot. Okay, so now I'm going to add my onions to the pan and let it fry for some minutes. Okay guys, and remember, like I said before, this meal is a very special meal. Now I'm going to add my mushroom to it and also let it fry for some minutes. Okay guys, you will know, or you will see that the mushroom is cooked, because then it will change the color and it will be like really soft. Okay, so I added a little amount of salt to it, and also a little amount of butter. The reason why I added butter to it is because of the flavor, because of the taste. Yes, I like how butter tastes in the sauce. That's why I added butter to it. So now I'm going to add my garlic powder to it, my black pepper, and I'll just continue the process. Okay guys, yeah, so after adding everything to it, of course I'm going to give it a good stir and then go to the next process. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I am stirring it. So after stirring, I'm going to add the mackerel fish to it. As you can see, I have to peel off the skin of the mackerel fish, but I decided to leave that one also because I also like when the skin is also on it. So you can decide to do whichever one that you want. Okay, yes, you can decide to cut it like into really tiny pieces, or put it like this, like add it like this. Okay, because later on it's still going to be like broken, like in pieces in the sauce or in the pasta later on. Okay, so now I'm going to add my heavy cream to the pot, and after adding the heavy cream, I'm going to bring it to a cook, like let it cook for some minutes. So now I'm going to add my Maggi cube, like 1 Maggi cube. Okay, and after adding the Maggi cube, of course I'm going to taste it and see if the sauce is okay, like if the taste is okay. Yeah, I also added a little amount of water to it because I don't like when the sauce is like really thick. Okay guys, but you can decide to do it how you want yours to be, if you want it to be thick or light. Okay, so I also added my garlic powder to it, my black pepper, and salt as well. Okay, so I'm just going to do that and mix everything together and go to the next process. And yes, as you can see, it is very important also to stir everything properly together. Okay, so that you will taste it for later and see if the taste is okay, or you had to add something to it. Yes guys, so that's that. And As you can see, my pasta has finished cooking, my spaghetti has finished cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the water and mix it with, like, wash it out with cold water, like put cold water in the pasta to stop it from cooking. Okay, so and after that I added it to the pot, and after adding it to the pan, I'm going to give it that good stir, like stir everything together so that the sauce and the pasta will just mix together. Yes guys, and as you can see, we are getting to almost the end of the video, and like I said before, this recipe is super easy to prepare and it is very delicious. Trust me, if you cook this food in your home, your kids will really love to eat it because it is also very yummy. Yeah, so just give it a try guys and you will see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I still have to stir everything together and make sure that everything mixes properly together. Okay guys, yes. So after that, I added a little amount of salt because I tasted it and the salt was not okay. Okay guys, I'm also going to add my black pepper. I'm also going to add the black pepper to it also because I really love the aroma and the taste of the black pepper in the sauce or in the food. Yes, you can see that I'm adding my black pepper to it right now. So after doing that, of course I'm going to give it a good stir again. And yes, after adding that to it, I have to give it a good stir, and that's it guys, the food is ready. Like I said, this recipe is super easy to prepare and it is very delicious. And please guys, make sure you cook this in your home. Cook it and also give me the feedback and let me know what you think about this recipe. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video from the start till the end. And please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate, and don't forget to also help me to share the videos. Tell your friends about it. Thank you so much, and I'm going to say bye for now, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. All right, bye.